The Lab AI has just dropped, and today I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software if you're considering using it for your business or personal needs. Stick around to the end because I'll share my thoughts on whether it's really the next big thing in the AI world and how you can try it completely free from the link in the description. First off, let's talk about the main selling point of the Lab AI. It's built for users who want to seamlessly integrate artificial intelligence into their workflows without a steep learning curve. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, it offers an incredibly user-friendly interface that gets right to the point. You don't need to be an AI expert to start using it, and that's a huge bonus. If you've been following the AI trend, you know how important simplicity is when it comes to leveraging these tools efficiently. One of the standout features of the Lab AI is its automation capabilities. You can automate tasks like social media posts, email campaigns, and customer engagement, all with minimal input on your part. This is perfect for people who want to scale their operations without manually managing everything. In fact, I've seen businesses save hours of work every single week by using this tool to handle repetitive tasks. Next, let's talk about how it uses machine learning to adapt to your business needs. The Lab AI learns from every interaction it has with your data. The more you use it, the better it becomes at predicting trends, optimizing your content strategy, and even suggesting keywords that'll rank higher in your campaigns. This means you're not just using a static tool, you're using one that improves over time and starts to feel more intuitive the more you work with it. Another key aspect is its integrations with other platforms. The Lab AI supports seamless connections with popular marketing tools like Google Ads, Facebook, and email platforms. This makes it easier to bring all your marketing strategies under one roof without constantly switching between apps. This is where the Lab AI truly shines. It saves you time and increases efficiency, which in turn allows you to focus on higher level strategy. Something that really sets the Lab AI apart from other software is its real-time analytics dashboard. It gives you clear insights into how your AI-driven campaigns are performing. If you're someone who needs actionable data right away, this dashboard is a game changer. You don't need to wait days to analyze performance. It's available instantly. This is crucial for making quick adjustments and optimizing your strategy without losing valuable time. One thing to keep in mind though is that while the Lab AI is packed with features, it's not perfect for every use case. It works wonders for businesses that are looking for automated marketing and content creation, but might not be as powerful if you're looking for a fully customizable AI that can handle complex industry-specific tasks. If you need something more tailored, you may have to look elsewhere. But for the majority of users, the Lab AI delivers what it promises. Before we wrap up, let's talk about cost. The Lab AI is free to try for a limited time, which means you can experiment with it and see how it fits into your workflow without any financial commitment. If you're ready to dive in, you can access the free trial through the link in the description below. Finally, after trying thousands of AI software solutions myself, I can confidently say that the Lab AI has potential. For those looking for something simple yet effective, this could be exactly what you need. I've dropped some of my top recommended AI tools in the description, so if you're interested, make sure to check them out. They're all ones I've personally tested and trust to help you scale smarter, faster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trials through the links below.